Let's go. Yeah, to take a review our production line. And first, let me give you introduction about our factory. We have more than 3,000 square meters factory. We have in this business more than 5 years. Yeah, and now today, yeah, it's very lucky to accompany you to visit our production line. We have many trees. Yeah, it's very lucky today. Yeah, you can see a lot of trees because a lot of trees are finished production. So you can review one by one. Okay, let's go. And first, this tree is a multiple trunk, fiberglass. Yes, and uh, you want to know it is assembled? Yes, yes, it is assembled. You look at this, all of the branch assembled, so we can package in the small package. Yeah, that's right. You want to make it banyan tree? Yes, right. We can do it a banyan tree. We can change the leaves to banyan tree leaves. No problem. Okay. Let's see another trees. This is a small trees. Yeah, real wood trunk. And this is a base. Yeah. Uh, Very good question. Yes. This tree actually we can put in a flower pot. Yeah, and if you want buy the flower pot, you can also find us. We can supply you the flower pot together. Yeah. And next tree is this one. This one. Yeah. And this tree, you see the leaves. I can see you. Yeah, yeah. So if you want to make this tree more bigger, we can do that for you because we are factory. We can do the size for you, different size. And look at here. This is artificial palm tree. Yeah, this is artificial palm trees. For indoor, for outdoor, both okay. And this is leaves. Yes. Yeah, and can you do? Oh yes, you want to see the Washington palm tree? Yes, yes, I can show you. But we also have done the Washington palm trees. Yeah, Washington palm tree. Okay, let's go. Yeah, and look at these trees are already finished. Yeah, and look at this tree. Yeah, many trees are already finished. Already finished. Yes. And okay. And next, I want to show you the Washington palm trees. Yeah, look at. That's it. Very nice and beautiful. This piece is 4 meter high. 4 meter high. And the leaves very huge and big. Yeah. And that's our Washington palm trees. And 4 meter, and the front size is bigger. It's almost 4 meter size. Yes. And our factory, we can also do the coconut tree, palm tree, and dead palm tree, and king coconut tree. So we can do customized for you. Yes. Yeah. That's our whole factory's production line. And actually, we can do customized service for you. And because we have done a lot of projects in Saudi Arabia, in Dubai market, and for Europe market, yeah, we have servers for the hotel, for the restaurant, and for the garden, for the government project. Yes, and we have a lot of the project feedback photos and videos. Yeah, we can share with you. Yeah, so if you want to learn more, contact with us. Yeah. So that's the whole introduction. And also I want to show you the packing size. This is the packing size is wooden. Yeah, for all of the tree, we pack it with a wooden frame to pack it. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you.